Hey guys, welcome to Biology Hub Bharti Biology. This is another video. In this video, we will read about apoptosis. This video is beneficial for all the CSIR, GATE, ICAR, ICMR, BARC and MSc candidate. In the previous video, we was read the basic difference between apoptosis and necrosis. This is the detailed video of apoptosis. The process of apoptosis or programmed cell death is characterized by distinct morphological characteristics and energy dependent biochemical mechanism. It is an intrinsic cell suicide program which ensures proper development by maintaining tissue homeostasis and safeguarding the organisms by getting rid of damaged or infected cells that may interfere with normal function. Dysregulation of apoptotic signaling and inappropriate apoptosis, either too little or too much, is a factor in many diseases including neurodegenerative diseases, autoimmune diseases and many type of cancers. Cell death is an essential part of normal development and continues into adulthood. Every day, billions of cells die in order to secure the functionality of whole body, whole organism. Thus, the body size remains the same only because cell division exactly balance cell death. Mechanism of apoptosis. Apoptosis is a tightly regulated and efficient cell death program involving multiple factors. Every cells contain an intrinsic mechanism which signal death or survival, and any imbalance in these signals can result in apoptosis. Understanding the mechanism of apoptosis is crucial and helps in the understanding of pathogenesis of condition as a result of disorder apoptosis. This in turn may help in the development of drugs that target certain apoptotic genes or pathways. Caspases take major and a central role in apoptotic mechanism. The term caspases is derived from cysteine dependent aspartate specific protease. Caspases are central to the mechanism of apoptosis as they are both the initiator and executioners. There are three pathways by which caspases can be activated. The two commonly described initiation pathway are the intrinsic or mitochondrial and extrinsic or death receptor pathway of apoptosis. Both pathway eventually leads to a common pathway or execution pathway of apoptosis. A third, less well known initiation pathway is known as intrinsic endoplasmic reticulum pathway. Regulation of apoptosis. Anti-apoptotic factors BCL2, BCLXL, A1, BCLW. Pro-apoptosis Bex, BAD, BIC, BIM, BIM, Puma, and Noxa. Pro-apoptosis means which promote the apoptosis, and anti-apoptotic factors are which inhibit the apoptosis. Caspases, cysteine aspartate protease. Cysteine aspartase or cysteine dependent aspartate directed proteases are a family of protease enzyme playing essential role in programmed cell death. They are named caspases due to their specific cysteine protease activity. A cysteine in its active site nucleophilically attacks and cleavage a target protein only after an aspartic acid residue. Caspase deficiency has been identified as a cause of tumor development. Tumor growth can occur by a combination of factors including mutation in the cell cycle genes which removes the retained on cell growth, combined with mutations in apoptotic proteins such as caspases that would respond by including cell death in abnormally growing cells. Conversely, overactivation of such caspases such as caspase 3s can lead to excessive programmed cell death, and this is seen in several neurodegenerative diseases where neural cells are lost, such as Alzheimer's disease. Caspase is involved with processing inflammatory signals are also implicated in disease. Insufficient activation of these caspases can increase an organism's susceptibility to infection, as an appropriate immune response may not be activated. This is the intrinsic pathway of apoptosis. Severe DNA damage, which activates the pro-apoptotic factors like BEX. BEX create pore on mitochondrial membrane. In the mitochondrial membrane, cytochrome C is present. Release of cytochrome C. Cytochrome C forms apoptosome. Apoptosomes is procaspase 9 is activated. In the presence of procaspase 9, which is activated into caspase 9. Caspase 9 is the activated form of procaspase 9. Caspase 9 is converted into procaspase 3, which get activated and cause apoptosis. This is another diagram. Death receptor ligand binds to extrinsic pathway. This is the extrinsic pathway which ligands are binding to extrinsic pathway. Extrinsic receptor, death receptor. FAD is formed. Procaspases 8 and 9. Procaspases is converted to caspases 8 9, which get activated to 3 6 and 7. Caspases 3 6 7 cause apoptosis. The intrinsic pathway. The intrinsic apoptosis pathway is initiated, for example, chemotherapy or radiotherapy. It is activated by a range of exogenous and endogenous stimuli such as DNA damage or oxidative stress. Moreover, it plays an important function in development and in the elimination of damaged cell. In intrinsic pathway, the functional consequences of pro-apoptotic signals is mitochondrial membrane perturbations and release of cytochrome C in the cytoplasm, where it form a complex, or apoptosomes with apoptotic protease activating factor APAF and inactivate form of caspase 9. This complex hydrolyze adenosine triphosphate to cleave and activate caspase 9. The initiator caspase 9 then cleave and activate the executioner caspase 3 6 7, resulting in cell apoptosis. It is totally different from extracellular signals, which are usually generated by cytotoxic cells of the immune systems and trigger apoptosis mainly through the extrinsic pathway. In extrinsic pathway, apoptosis is known as physiological process of cell deletion and is also a process of programmed cell death, resulting in morphological change and DNA fragmentation. It is stimulated by external or internal events of cell, one of which is extrinsic pathway mediated by the death receptor. The death receptor include Fas receptor, TNF tumor necrotic factors receptor, and TNF related apoptosis inducing ligand trail receptor. As a surface receptor, for example, TNF receptor 1, it will interact with TNF to induce the recruitment of adaptive proteins such as Fas associated protein with death domain FADD and tumor necrosis factor receptor type 1 associated death domain protein, which recruits a series of downstream factors including caspase 8, which is a critical mediator of the extrinsic pathway, resulting eventually in cell apoptosis. I hope the concept of apoptosis is cleared in your mind. This topic is very important for life science student. I hope this video is beneficial for you peoples. Please, for more video, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. If you have any query, please tell me on my Telegram channel, Bharti Biology.